Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you'll find here more options. You just have to press on this. Now you can see here switch appearance. You have to click on it. Now you can see here dark mode. To turn on your dark mode, you just have to turn on this button. So this is how you can turn on dark mode on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.